Looking at the front diff insert for the 5.2 manual RA, what is the true benefit? I'm looking for crisper shifts like your transmission mount insert. Well, on the R8, we did a full development effort on that, and we did um, create the front diff insert for those vehicles. There is some movement in the front diff insert, and so when you shift and that power is transferred to the front diff, there can be some movement or compliance where the power or energy from the driveline goes to loading up that mount instead of delivering power and torque to the tires. So yes, you will. The idea is to feel better shifts, uh, better transfer of power on and off power. Um, the thing is on the R8, you're not transferring a lot of power through the front diff. I think it's like up to 20-30%. So
Yeah, I was
you're,
gonna
you're
say
gonna
it's
you're
pretty
gonna
low.
notice a proportionate difference. Thankfully, the modification is not very expensive. I think it's a no-brainer to do. I don't think you'll feel a world of difference, but it does definitely reduce that loading up of that particular mount, and that only helps deliver the power and shifts better. Um, if you have an R8, definitely check out our sway bars.
Yep.
There's not enough people have bought those. I think the R8's an interesting market. I think people think it's already the best performing it can be, and while it's incredibly performing,
It's a good
especially
cover.
for a stock Audi, we did make some huge improvements to it. The sway bars are a big one. Our springs and sway bars combined together. You probably already have wheels, but our Ford ZTF wheels, you can put a lot of rubber under that car. Um, so the combination of the sway bars, the springs, and the wheels and tires, it does really transform